Feel free, it's Galaxy Note.
Hey, happy birthday! Let's take a picture. Come on, just one smile.
You say I do, I say can't we talk? You say we do, I say see ah la. You say we kiss, I say me ha. We do what we do. Come on in, make yourself at home. Come on.
Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Be creative.
This is my dad. My insanely busy texting, talking, and emailing dad. Nothing can keep up with him. His cell phone tried, but it failed miserably because he's always using it. Always. So when me and Mom would try to call him, he rarely answered. Actually, he couldn't. Because my dad had a bad habit of forgetting to charge the battery. So that phone had to go. But now he has a new phone and a new attitude. Maybe it's because his new phone charges so fast, or maybe it's because the battery lasts longer. I mean, he even lets me use it on the way to school.
How's your day going?
And now when Mom calls,
Everything's going good.
he answers every time. My dad is still very busy, but since he's not worried about the battery power anymore, he's less stressed and more fun.
I'm on my way home. Yeah.
Ready, set, super daddy!
Capture your everyday ideas. Samsung Galaxy Note 5.
Its large display changed everything. Now with the first ever curved edge screen, it's about to change again. The Galaxy Note Edge has arrived.